All right, welcome. My video got cut off on the last examples, so we worked out examples 1 through 4, and there's just one more example left that we're going to work out together on the notes before you give it a shot at your assignments. So let's get that one done. This will be a pretty short video. So number 5, we are given the density of a cone, with a radius of 8. Notice it's the radius again, is 1.25 grams per cubic centimeters. So right off the bat, I know that my density is 1.25 grams per cubic centimeter. We're given the mass, which is 300 grams. And we're asked to find the height of the cone. We only have the radius, so we will need the volume. So we'll first find the volume using the density formula. Again, it's mass over volume. And we are given these two numbers to substitute into our function. So density is 1.25. Mass is 300. Our volume is unknown. So if I multiply the volume by both sides, cancel it out over here, I'll get 1.25 times V equals 300. And my next step is to divide both sides by 1.25. So doing that division, show that on here. I don't always show my steps, so I've just got to remember that on this video that I am dividing 1.25 from the 300. So 300 divided by 1.25 is going to give you 240. 240 what? Well, it's volume. So since our units are measured in centimeters, it's going to be cubic centimeters. And we're not done with this problem because we need to find the height of the cone. So it's a cone. We have to look up our volume formulas to help figure this one out. But if you look up the volume formulas, take a second to find that formula first before I throw it up here on the screen. All right, so you should have found that the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Basically, it's the cylinder, but with the 1/3. So since we're given the volume, we're given the radius, which is r. We're asked to find the height. So I'm going to substitute 240 in for V. Six in for R. And I don't know H. Nice thing about this is I can figure all this out at once and just get that one number. So if I plug all this in, ignore the H for a minute. If I go into this calculator, I'm going to clear that stuff out. 1/3 is just divided by 3, but you can type 1 divided by 3 times pi. 6 squared is 36, or you could do 6 squared. You're going to get 37.699. So I'm going to say 240 equals 37.699 times the height. And to undo times, of course, we want to do division. So my last step to get the height is simply going to be dividing by that number. $240 divided by 37.699. I'm going to cheat and just press the up arrow. Be a little more exact that way. It's going to give me 6.366. 6.366 what? Centimeters. That's my height. And that's the answer to the question. Is find the height of the cone. And there you have it. the 5 examples from the Unit 1, Day 6 or 7, depending on which class you're in, notes for density. I hope this was helpful. And again, if you have any questions, you are welcome to come to me for anything you need for your assignment or whatever. Thank you very much.